let me ask you something. Imagine you invest $10 today, and one day it quietly grows into $100, $1,000, or even $10,000. No lottery, no gambling, just patience and something called the stock market. Most people think it's complicated, but today, this monk will explain it to you in the simplest way possible. Welcome, young investor. I am the Money Monk. I wear black sunglasses because money wisdom should stay cool. In this video, you will learn 3 things. First, what the stock market actually is. Second, how people make money from it. And third, how someone your age can start investing smartly. No complicated finance words, no boring lectures, just simple wisdom from a monk. Now, let us begin our journey toward financial peace. Imagine your friend Jake starts a lemonade business. He needs money to buy lemons, cups, and a table. So Jake says, "Hey, if you give me $100, I will give you a small piece of my business." You agree. Now you own part of Jake's lemonade stand. If the stand makes money, you also make money. If the stand grows bigger, your piece becomes more valuable. This is exactly what a stock is. A stock simply means owning a small piece of a company. When millions of people buy and sell these company pieces, that giant marketplace is called the stock market. Companies like Apple, Tesla, and Amazon sell pieces of their companies to the public. So when you buy their stock, you literally become a tiny owner of that company. Yes, even if you only invest $10. There are 2 main ways people make money in the stock market. Let me explain both of these methods to you. Method 1, stock price growth. Let us say you buy a stock for $50. A few years later, the company grows. The stock becomes $100. You sell it, you just made $50 profit. This is called capital gain. Simple. Buy low, sell higher later. Method 2, dividends. Some companies reward investors just for owning the stock. They send you cash payments. These payments are called dividends. For example, if you invest $500 in a company that pays 5% yearly dividends, you receive $25 every year, even if you never sell the stock. That is like the company saying, "Thank you for believing in us. Here is your reward." Let me tell you a simple story. A 17-year-old named Alex started investing. He didn't have much money, so he invested $50 every month. Not thousands, just $50. He invested in simple companies and index funds. After 10 years, he had invested about $6,000. But because of growth and compounding, his account grew to about 10,000 plus. And he did almost nothing. No day trading, no gambling, just patience. The monk's favorite investment strategy. There is a secret force in investing, even more powerful than hard work. It is called compound growth. Here is how it works. If you invest $100 and it grows 10% per year, next year you have 110. But the year after, you earn interest on 110. So it becomes 121. Then 133, then 146. Money begins growing on its own. The monk calls this money learning how to meditate and multiply peacefully. If you are between 15 and 22, here are 3 simple steps to start learning investing. Step 1, learn first. Watch videos, read about companies, understand how businesses make money. Step 2, start small. You do not need $1,000. Many investing apps allow starting with $5 or $10. Step 3, be patient. Do not try to get rich tomorrow. Invest for years. The stock market rewards discipline, not impatience. Start your journey today. Thank you for joining me on this path. Young investors often make 3 mistakes. The first mistake is this. Number 1, trying to get rich too fast. The second mistake is as follows. Number 2, following random advice from social media. And finally, the third mistake. Number 3, panic selling when prices drop. The monk remembers one rule. When the markets begin to fall, you must learn to stay calm. Remember that all storms eventually pass. Always remember, strong companies survive. Welcome to a moment of clarity in the busy world of finance. If this video helped you understand the stock market, then you are already smarter than many adults. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more, because every week, this monk shares simple money wisdom. Please like the video if this was helpful to you, and comment below, what is the first stock you want to learn about? Until next time, I wish you peace and prosperity. Always remember to stay calm through the cycles, and please stay patient with your financial journey, and let your money grow in peace.